Cool, so everyone's going to iterate on their action items, and I think we're good here.
I'm a whiteboard photographer. I mean, I manage tech projects here, but saying it that way feels so reductive, you know? Up there, it's an outline of a technical approach, and here's where it's art, and here is where it's magic.
Yo, so you want me to jump in that picture real quick?
You're hilarious, but don't, because we are losing light. I capture moments like, I remember this one. This was our bulk shipping project in 2016. Oh God, you can see the way the crisp lines and the way the light, it just falls like, I can't. I'm sorry, I'm so embarrassed.
What's beautiful about my art is that I get to share it with others. You're welcome. It feels strange to say this, but I have tried to monetize my art, to sell it online. No, I haven't sold any yet. Did you want to place a bid? No. Sorry, can't help the hustle.
Being on a shoot requires balance because I take my work seriously, but I want to make sure the subjects feel fun and flirty. No, I don't know what anything on the whiteboards mean.